In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe account in N8N. First, open your N8N workspace. If you're self-hosting, make sure your instance is running. And if you're using a cloud account, sign into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the canvas where all your automations live. Create a new workflow so we have a clean place to work. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later, especially if you manage multiple automations. Naming your workflows well makes troubleshooting and scaling much easier down the line. Now, add your first node by clicking the plus icon on the canvas. This opens the node picker. In the search bar, type Stripe. You'll see Stripe options appear. For this walkthrough, choose the Stripe trigger so the workflow can react to events from your Stripe account, like new charges or customer updates. You can switch to a regular Stripe action node later if you want to run operations on demand. But starting with a trigger is a great way to confirm the connection. With the trigger node on the canvas, select the event type you want to listen for. Keep it simple at first. You can always expand to more events after you confirm the connection works. Next, connect your Stripe account by setting up credentials. In the node's credentials section, choose to add new credentials. N8N will prompt you for your Stripe API key, and if you're using a trigger, it may also ask for a Webhook signing secret. Your API key authorizes N8N to talk to Stripe, and the signing secret lets N8N verify that incoming events are genuinely from Stripe. You'll find these in your Stripe dashboard. Go to Developers, then API Keys to copy your secret key, and to Developers, then Webhooks to copy the signing secret for the relevant endpoint. If you're testing, make sure you use test keys and a test signing secret. If you're going live, switch to live keys. Never share these values publicly and store them only in trusted places like N8N's Encrypted Credentials. Paste the keys into N8N, save the credentials, and return to your node. Now click Execute or Test on the node or workflow. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a successful response or a sample event come through. If you run into an error, double-check that the environment matches your keys test versus live and that your signing secret corresponds to the correct webhook. That's it. You've connected your Stripe account to N8N, set a trigger, added credentials, and executed a test. From here, you can build out the rest of your automation with confidence.